Do you know what you're doing?
I actually don't.
You
Right.
never ever do.
Here we go. We're going to perform something new today.
Right.
God, this is... Well, this is... Every week it's not practice. Kaylee's top, by the way, is covered in food because she's taken Thomas to messy play and...
He loved it. I just got covered in paint and oats.
Before we begin, I'm going to place something in your back pocket. No one can see what it is. There you go.
Only that then, please.
Brilliant. I'm going to show everyone at home my phone. You'll see. We're going to give Kaylee my... You'll see that at home? There. Hold on to it.
Okay.
And what you're going to do, I can either hold it for you or you can... there. Kaylee has got number dyslexia. It's called dyscalculia. So for this next part, you're going to need to write it down. But it's only because Kaylee's got not the best with numbers. It's not thick. What I want you to do, I can hold this for you actually.
Okay, go.
Yeah. Let's take that. If you press start on the stopwatch, press start, see how the numbers go.
Yeah.
When you press stop, you can see there's the seconds and the milliseconds.
Yeah.
Right? If you add those up, what do they come to?
7.
7. Go ahead and write 7 there. And do it again. And whenever you want to, press stop. And make sure it's fair, that it's not doing anything weird.
Okay, go.
Go, got it?
Yeah.
And write down the total again.
You'll have to see these numbers.
I can see, it doesn't matter because they're your choices. Press start and stop again.
Okay.
We'll do this 3 more times. But look at the numbers, make sure you're choosing exactly what numbers you want.
Okay. This is testing my math skills.
You can all see that
really
stuff.
bad.
I've got 7, 11, 24.
I've just pressed again now.
Okay, and what I want you to make sure of is that you choose exactly when it stops. So you can choose the number ahead of time in your head, essentially.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Add it up.
Just make my calculations may be wrong because I have no idea. You put it right on the spot today. Hint this. Hang on. Right, okay.
There you go.
There you go.
Happy with that?
Yeah?
It's got 5 numbers.
Yeah.
There. And each of those are fair choices, right?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you very much. Clean that off. Oops. That's away. 5 numbers. 7, 11, 24, 47, and 49.
Yeah.
Right? That was the fairest choice they could be. You literally chose exactly when to start, when to stop on each one.
Yeah.
Before we begin, I placed something in your back pocket.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
That's how good I am.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea what it is?
No.
No?
Piece of paper, maybe?
Maybe a piece of paper, maybe...
Card?
I don't know. Why don't we have a look? Pass me the pen.
Okay, which pocket do you put it in?
Right hand
Oh, this
side
one.
pocket.
I got it.
Got it.
Oh!
Do you know what that is?
It's a lottery ticket.
It's a lottery ticket.
Are you going to predict my numbers?
Are you going to predict your own numbers?
Yeah.
Go ahead, open it up. There's 5
Shut
main numbers in the lottery.
Shut up.
But you chose them.
Oh my god. 7, 11, 24, 47, 49. And the lucky stars are 4 and 9.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's actually a real ticket.
It's a real ticket.
Oh my god, it's a real ticket.
So just for everyone to see at home, show everyone what you were doing on the phone.
So I was just pressing start and I was watching the numbers, seconds and milliseconds go up, and then I was pressing stop, and then I'd have 5, 9 and 8. So I'd add them up. Don't know the total of that one. And then I was just pressing start again and carrying on, pressing stop, and then writing the numbers down. And that actually, because if you look at the back, you can see when it gets printed, the back has like the terms and conditions thing, and it just prints on the back of that paper. It's actually a real ticket.
Oh no, that's a real lottery ticket.
That is a real ticket.
Yeah.
I thought that could have been a fake, but
No, it's genuinely real.
it's genuine because that's glossy as well. Like a real, it is a lottery ticket. Oh my god. I love that.
Genuinely?
Yeah. Now, I love, love, love that because I think I kind of know something to do with it.
Okay.
But as a genuine spectator, having a genuine lottery ticket put in your pocket, you choose the numbers, you've got nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
That is incredible. I love that trick.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Right, so
I love that.
before trying to figure it out, first of all, go into marks out of creativity.
5. Because you're going to have to go into a shop and actually buy a lottery ticket that is real.
Yeah.
And it's not a card. It's
not a
not
card trick.
just a written down prediction in an envelope.
So 5 creativity,
Yeah.
entertainment.
Oh yeah, 5, 100%.
I should have played that bigger.
Yeah, but I was in control of the whole trick.
Yeah.
I was in control the whole time. I had your phone, I was controlling it.
Yeah.
So nothing could.
The only reason we use the pen and paper is Kaylee.
I genuinely
is
cannot add it.
So,
and I would not remember the numbers. No.
but if you would perform this to like 5 people, they would each remember one number, or 6 people. You can do it with as many people as you want. So that's entertainment, creativity, entertainment, fooler.
Now, I think this is because I'm married to you, though.
Mm.
Because before you, I wouldn't have had a clue that there were things like this that existed. But I think it's an app on your phone.
There's a caveat to that.
Okay.
This is not an app,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
But what we should have showed everyone at home is that I told you specifically to think of the numbers. So if you wanted to stop at
Okay.
21 or 11, say,
Right. Yeah.
you genuinely did stop. And I'm not putting words in your mouth. So
No. I know now that apps exist that can be manipulated in ways that can.
because you are married to the creator of Cognito,
Exactly.
Cypher,
Yeah.
Temper, so it does kind of give us a lot of weight.
It kind of gives that away. But I did stop at every number. I did choose the seconds to stop at. I could have stopped at 8, and I didn't. I stopped at 7.
Exactly. If you'd stopped at 8, this would not.
I could have stopped at 10 first, and that wouldn't have worked because 7 is the first number.
Yeah.
I am fooled, even though I think it is an app.
Well, if the next number's 11, if you'd stopped at 12, this would not.
But I didn't stop at 11. I stopped at 9.02. So I added them together and they became 11. But I still chose to stop at that number.
If you'd stopped at 13, this wouldn't have worked.
No, it wouldn't have. If I'd have stopped any later than that, it wouldn't have worked. I am fooled, but I do know
that apps exist.
Yeah.
First of all, you have to ask yourself if it's an app or not. But what would have happened? Because you very carefully, I said to you, and on camera, you're
trying to put words in my mouth.
Okay.
Trying to make me confused.
Do you know how? Wait, okay. Right.
I don't know how it works. No.
The fooler is a yes or no, right?
I'm fooled. I am fooled, even though
Do you think no? If you commit to saying it's an app, we'll take that as you think it's an app and that's the method, right? Or do you think it's not an app and it's a different method? And it's up to you.
No, I do think it's an app.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so I'd say you're not fooled.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, I'm landing at that one.
But do you?
I don't know how it works, so I don't know if it is.
Should we say a 4 or a 5?
Or Cognito or whatever, because I don't know how they work.
It's none of them. It's a brand new app. No. I didn't tell you.
Was that exclusive or?
Yeah, it's exclusive.
Hey!
Exclusive.
Was that the first one you performed this on?
Yep.
Oh, love that. Yeah, I'm rude. I am. I'm fooled.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I don't know. I don't even know how to do Cognito and all that stuff. I don't even know how to use them properly, but I know that they can be manipulative in that sense.
Okay.
So I'm not fooled, but I technically am.
I don't want to put the marks in your mouth, but you can score it out of 5.
I would say a 4, just because I know it's an app. But the rest of it, I can't work it out. There's no way of me going, oh yeah, well you input this and you do this and you I wouldn't know how to do that.
Okay, so we'll go. So 5, 5, 4.
Yes.
I think the fooling thing should be yes or no, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Future.
It is a yes or no, and no, I'm not fooled because I do know that.
It's an app.
But I am fooled. So it can't be a yes or no.
Don't go easy on me because I'm married.
I'm not. Was it your trick?
It's a combined thing between me and my friend Saad.
That's the hardest one of yours that you've kind of done to me?
Well, it's based off. So a little history lesson for you all.
Boring.
Saad, I created an app called Tempest, which inspired Saad to create something, and using an element, one feature that I created for Tempest, which was really unique to it. He wanted to implement that into his creation, and he asked for my blessing. I said yes, and so he released something called, I won't say the name yet, and then somebody else released something like that after him, but still doesn't have the unique stuff to it. Me and Saad have since joined up to create like the ultimate stopwatch app, which will be coming out very soon, and the power in this thing just like sort of nukes all the competition. So that's just one tiny feature you can do with it, like lottery predictions. I can show you like predictions with my like tattoos or really wild stuff. So I just thought, that's sort of that's sort of like the history on it.
I love that.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
So technically,
so bonus point to get a bonus.
Yeah, because it's not a card. And how do you predict the lottery? I mean, are they winning numbers? Are we millionaires?
No, we wouldn't.
So you're not
be
that
doing
good,
this stupid YouTube series. We'd be on a yacht just getting burnt in the Mediterranean Sea.
That is amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
I love it.
All right, thanks very much.
Well done, you. And Saad, of course.
He's a genius behind all this, really.
I love it. I wish they were winning numbers though.
They might be.
Should we check?
I know they're not, because it was yesterday's numbers.
Oh.
And it's my mother's lottery ticket.
Did you actually steal this off it?
Yeah.
Lloyd! Oh, it has actually got the date on it.
Yeah, I checked. They didn't win a damn penny.
There's the date. Oh.
I'm going to focus.
Oh, there's the date.
So I hope you all enjoyed that, guys. I'm not going to talk too much about what this is at the minute, because I don't want to turn this into like some sort of hype marketing thing. There's a different time and place for that. This is just something that me and Saad have been working on for over 2 years now, and it's sort of like an amalgamation, as I said, of other things coming together and just making this big, beautiful, powerful tool. And I wanted to share with you my handling of the lottery ticket effect. Now, in the real world, to real people, I would put a lot more to this, and I'd draw it out and play it really, really big, because as you guys know, lottery ticket predictions can be so huge, and there's so much interesting reasoning that can be placed into this. For example, you can talk about how if I could predict the future, then I would win the real lottery and I'd be living on a yacht somewhere in Hawaii. I can't do that. What I can do is attempt to influence you. For example, I want everyone here to think of a number between 1 and 10, but not 3. Who's thinking of 7? Most of the hands go up. Now, if I was to ask you to think of a 2-digit number between 1 and 50, but making the digits both different and both odd, everyone think of a number, hands up who's thinking of 37, and the majority of people will put their hands up. And you say, based off that, you don't realize, but more of you are more easy to influence than you realize. So what we need to do here is get you to pick numbers at random in a way that's truly fair and truly random. And the way I like to do this is to introduce a stopwatch, and you can stop on the exact seconds that you want to, so that way you know that I'm not influencing you, but also that it's a fair choice. And by doing all of this reason and justification, you get the audience into a mindset where they feel completely in control, yet they really believe they're choosing truly random numbers and that you're not influencing the game or cheating it in any way. And by having this big setup and this nice drawn out sort of, I say drawn out, I don't mean boring, there's a difference between that, but by having all these justifications and setups brought into play, when it comes to the final moment, if you've really done your job correctly, and everyone believes that every choice they've made is 100% fair, and what you're about to do is impossible, truly, then when you finally reveal that lottery ticket, the impact is astronomical. So there's one other thing that I did, which was to hide the lottery ticket before the game began, before the effects sort of started. And that's because if you bring the lottery ticket out at the start, you'll distract them too much, and they're gonna see where this is going before the end, and their brains will scatter. And I've learned this from experience of performing lottery ticket predictions. If you bring the lottery ticket out before you begin and then try to get it, again, you can also use this as justification. You can say, because if you bring it out beforehand, they'll try to think of the numbers, right? So I've learned over time that if you use the lottery ticket as the reveal, it gets, first of all, it gets this, okay, and then you can see the minute where the sparks connect in their mind and they get excited. And I found it's just a lot more powerful to do it that way. Of course, it's completely open to interpretation, and if you want to do an effect where it's like, you're going to predict the lottery, boom, this is a real lottery ticket, don't lose it, then that's up to you. But I just really like this. I think it's a lot more, for me, it's a lot more entertaining in the real world, and that payoff is a lot more exciting at the end. But there's so much we could talk about regarding lottery predictions, and there's so many great ones out there, from Rory Adams at oneahead.club with his How to Win the Lottery book test, which is genius. There's the new one by Michael Murray called Plotto, P-Lotto, which he demoed and premiered at Blackpool, which is absolutely mind-blowing, one of the smartest methods I've ever seen. There's Nate Staniforth's lottery prediction, which David Blaine did on TV. There's just so many great versions out there. I've put a few out. I put one out in my app called Cypher, and it got the most crazy reactions as you see in the trailer for that. So there's so much out there, and again, this is just another offering to the lottery ticket genre, and this is one that I personally, I'm always trying to find the most organic and practical methods to do out there, and at the minute, this is the best one for me that exists. But we'll talk about that more in time as it gets closer to being in all of your hands. But for now, hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next Thursday to see another live piece of magic being tested out on the wife. We need to find a name for the section. I think someone suggested Fooler, which is quite cool. Maybe we'll call it that. But again, leave your suggestions in the comment below. Let me know what you liked or didn't like about this effect. And of course, on Sunday, it's the live Sunday session where we bring a magic jam straight to your living room. Nothing's off the cards. We talk about methods openly, we discuss secrets, and we literally have a real magic jam wherever you are in the world, because we can't all get together at the minute. And then every single Tuesday, we have Tutorial Tuesday, which seems to be the most popular video to all of you guys out there, where I'll teach you brand new and exclusive magic that I've created. So until next time, folks, hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on the live Sunday session.